Greetings and welcome to another video. It's Sunday, 2nd of July 2023, and yeah, this year has so far gone very fast indeed, it seems. Barely seems like yesterday when January had just started, and here we are in July already. But yeah, I'm in Leegomery today because I've just been to visit my mum and had a very nice, very delicious Sunday lunch. It was good, I enjoyed it. And while I was here, we talked about something which I saw on Facebook this morning and my mum had seen happen while she was travelling on the bus through Leegomery a few days ago. So with that in mind, I want to have a look at what's going on at the moment, and yeah, let's carry on. So like I say, as you can see, I'm on the edge of Leegomery at the moment, part of the Hadley and Leegomery parish. And to the right we've got this really nice playing field going on. And this road I'm on at the moment, as people who know Leegomery well, this is Granger Drive. And if we were to travel along Granger Drive in that direction far enough, that'll take us into Hadley. But we're not going to Hadley today. Instead, where we want to be is just over here. From here, we've got this island here, and down over there, as you can see, is Pool Farm Avenue. And Pool Farm Avenue, as you can see, is off in that direction. And if we were to go down that way, that'll take us to Leegomery Centre, like the Leegomery Community Centre and Leegomery Spa. But we're not going down that way today. But no, Leegomery Community Centre is a really good place. Really nice place to be in Leegomery. But we're not going that way today. So yeah, Pool Farm Avenue. Instead, we're just heading over here. As you can see, this is where Leegomery becomes Apley, also part of the Hadley and Leegomery parish. And as you can see, Granger Drive carries on in front of me. And if you were to follow the main road in the direction I'm now facing, that'll take us toward Princess Royal Hospital, and beyond that it'll take us into Wellington. But obviously we're not going to the hospital today, nor are we going to Wellington. Instead, from where I'm standing, that's what we want to have a look at today. They're rebuilding Leegomery's Woodhenge. Yeah, I don't know when this reconstruction started, but it's clearly a pretty recent, very new rebuilding. Now, I first heard about this basically this morning on Facebook, because as I mentioned, I'm a member of the Leegomery and Hadley group on Facebook, and somebody there made a post about this, to be honest, and that was the first time I heard about it. And when I mentioned it to my mum during lunch, she said she'd been on the bus travelling past here, and that's when she first saw it. So yeah, what do people think about this? Now, in a couple of previous videos on my YouTube channel, I have been here before and mentioned the old Woodhenge structure, which I've been told has been standing here since the late 1970s, or 1979 to be exact. And yeah, this place has been as much part of Leegomery as anything else for as long as I can remember, to be honest. And every time I passed here, especially when I was last here a while ago making a video, you could tell that the wood itself of Woodhenge was starting to rot. It wasn't in the best possible condition going on. And yeah, as I saw somebody mention in the comments of a Facebook post I saw this morning, a couple of people mentioned it in fact, Woodhenge was starting to need repair, a lot of repair, and so it looks like what's happening is it's been decided by the council that it would be a better, maybe even more cost-effective thing to do to just completely rebuild Woodhenge. So yeah, personally I think it's a good idea it's being rebuilt, if it was the case that the original structure was seriously rotting and starting to disintegrate. I just hope that this new wood being used in this new structure is durable stuff and lasts, well, a very long time indeed. It lasts another 30 or 40 years at least, and that, well, I hope the wood has been treated in such a way that it's practically immortal. That's the hope anyway. I'm going to have to come back to Leegomery when this new Woodhenge structure is complete to see what it's like. But yeah, a part of me is going to miss the old structure, because the original structure had a certain atmosphere, certain character about it, which I always enjoyed and always appreciated whenever I came to this part of Leegomery. So I'm going to miss that, to be honest. That said, what's done is done, so it would be interesting to see how the new structure looks when it's finished. But yeah, what do you, the audience, think about this? Especially if you live in Leegomery. What do you think? Does anyone have any additional information about what's going on here, why it's happening, when it's scheduled to be completed and all that? Any information, by all means, put in the comment section below this video, especially in the comment section on my YouTube channel where this video is going to be appearing, because a lot of people are going to be interested in this, to be honest, so it'll be great to share the information around. So yeah.